Today I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Amazon wish list. This is a fantastic way to share your wish list with friends and family, especially during special occasions or holidays, making it super easy for them to access your list with just a quick scan. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all your personal features and wish lists. After logging in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Wishlist. This will take you directly to your wishlist page where you can see all the items you've saved. If you have multiple wish lists, make sure you're viewing the specific one you want to create a QR code for, as the code will be generated for whichever page you're currently on. Now that you're on your wishlist page, right-click anywhere on the page, then select Create QR Code for this page. This option might vary slightly depending on your browser, but most modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox support this feature natively. When you click it, the browser will instantly generate a QR code that links directly to your current wish list. The QR code will appear in the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see a small pop-up or panel displaying the QR code image. If you want to save this QR code to your device, simply click Download. This will save the QR code as an image file, typically in PNG format, which you can then share via email, text message, or even print out if you prefer. After downloading, in the upper right panel, navigate to the Download section and click Open to view the QR code. This lets you confirm that the download was successful and that the QR code looks exactly as you expected. You can now share this QR code with anyone, and when they scan it with their smartphone camera, they'll be taken directly to your Amazon wish list. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Amazon wishlist, making it incredibly convenient for others to access and view the items you've saved. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.